All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, I'm looking at you clicking that like button one more time, and I do appreciate it. And subscribe, too. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything. Give us a little bit of a subscription. Why not? Come on. I'm a nice guy. Well, you know who's not being nice today? The market's not being nice today. Why? Because it's real resilient again. Even the S&Ps are up over 50 handles again, but there's a stock post-earnings that's gotten beaten up. And I'm talking about the AI space. Who would have thought? That's right. Let's take a look at Palantir. Here's a chart of Palantir trading down around $138 and change, down just over 5% today. It was down actually about $1 more than this just a moment ago. Palantir getting no love after blowing out its earnings numbers, which really mean nothing to me. What does mean something to me right now is we've got a little bit of a capitulation, I think, in Palantir versus the rest of the market. So I'm going to put on an omnidirectional, slightly bullish, and make no mistake about it, I shouldn't say slightly bullish. It is bullish, about 17 long deltas, and I get paid around $1 and change a day for having this risk. Now, I got filled at $5.58, so it is up about 20 cents from where I purchased it, with the stock moving about 40 or 50 cents from when I bought it. But you could see all that on the follow page. If you click on the follow page here and you go down to BAT option trades today, right there on the right-hand side, you'll see there's my Palantir trade done earlier today when the stock was $137.47. Doing this trade has bullish delta to it because we scalped a very similar trade to this yesterday, made ourselves a nice $100. Here's a slightly bullish, longer dated Convexity trade. Let me explain to you what I mean by that. This is a trade that has $575 worth of risk, if that's what you pay for this. I'm buying the July option that has 73 days. I'm selling a June option that has 44 days. And if you notice, there's $10 difference here, 145 versus 155. So there's a $10 spread that I'm paying $5.75 for, which means this spread can be worth actually $10 or more if the stock goes higher. Now, this is a delta trade. Want the stock to go higher? I'm buying the first strike or two out of the money in July, 73 days away. I'm selling a further out of the money option in June, the 155, which gives me almost 17 long deltas with a theta decay, holding on to about $1 a day, which is small amount of money to be paid while you hold this trade. The important thing about this trade is you have $575 worth of risk, or whatever you pay for this, that's your total risk. By a Convexity trade, we could double our money on this trade in the next 73 days if Palantir goes slightly higher and doesn't sell off more. Our downside risk, $575 or whatever you pay for it. So you almost have a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio with a nice probability of success because there's almost $22 range in Palantir in the next 73 days. All right, everybody, if you like this trade or you like seeing the follow page or seeing all our trades from all of the hosts, come, move, bring, transfer your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy.